iPhone 6s in iPhone XR. XR is a little bit bigger, 6s smaller. 6s very nice to hold in the hands. XR looks like a little bit bulky, big. I don't have small hands, but it's like still big phone. If you have like small pocket or something like that, it's, I don't know, it will be not easy to put in pocket. A little bit heavier iPhone XR compared to iPhone 6s, and everything same, nothing big difference, just nice color, red color. They have few different colors, blue, white, black, yellow, different colors. Nice to have the colors, yeah. And camera much better, of course. Processor much faster. A few more different options, of course, better options. You're making like just phone calls, 6s will be plenty. You don't need high-end phone. Well, just like that, by comparison, you can see how bigger it is. Well, thank you for looking. Good luck.